Confirmation bias is a natural human tendency. It happens when people look for, interpret, and remember information that confirms their existing beliefs. At the same time, they ignore or dismiss information that challenges those beliefs. This bias can affect decision-making, learning, and even relationships. Understanding confirmation bias is the first step to overcoming it. It causes people to stick to ideas that feel comfortable, even if those ideas are wrong or incomplete. This limits personal growth and prevents seeing the full picture. Here are some practical ways to overcome confirmation bias. 1. Be open to different perspectives. Make a conscious effort to listen to opinions and evidence that contradict your views. Try to understand why others think differently. This helps broaden your mind and reduces automatic rejection of new ideas. Question your own beliefs. Ask yourself why you believe something. Is it based on facts or just feelings or assumptions? Try to find evidence both for and against your beliefs. Being honest with yourself is key to balanced thinking. Seek out reliable sources. Use trusted and diverse sources for information. Avoid only reading or watching content that agrees with your point of view. This practice helps you get a more accurate and complete understanding. Practice critical thinking. Look carefully at the quality of the evidence. Check if information is from experts or if it's just opinion. Be aware of emotional reactions. Taking time to analyze facts helps reduce bias. Embrace uncertainty. It's okay not to have all the answers. Being comfortable with uncertainty encourages curiosity and learning. Instead of defending your views at all costs, try to be curious and open to change. Discuss ideas with others. Talking with people who have different opinions can reveal blind spots in your thinking. Respectful discussions encourage new insights and can reduce bias. Overcoming confirmation bias is not easy, but it is possible with effort and practice. It leads to better decisions, deeper understanding, and personal growth. Start by challenging your own beliefs and welcoming new information. Remember, real wisdom comes from questioning what you know and being open to change.